welcome to my math tutorial. I am Jessamine Villaflor and I am from BSED Mathematics 1A. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss about dividing integers. So we have a rule in dividing integers, which is if same sign, we use positive. If different sign, we use negative sign. So let's proceed to the example number 1. So we have negative 20 divided by 2. So we have different signs, so the answer is negative 10. So let's proceed to the example number 2. We have negative 15 divided by negative 3. As you can see, we have same signs, so the answer is positive 5. So let's proceed to the example number 3. So we have negative 100 divided by 10. So we have different sign. So the answer is negative 10. So let's proceed to the example number 4. So we have 28 divided by negative 4. So as you can see, we have different sign. So the answer is negative 7. So let's proceed to the example number 5. So negative 16 divided by negative 4. So as you can see, we have same signs. The answer should be positive. So the answer is positive 4. So let's proceed to the example number 6. So we have negative 25 divided by positive 5. So we have different signs. So the answer is negative 5. So let's proceed to the example number 7. We have negative 150 divided by 15. So the answer is, so we have the same sign, so the answer is positive 10. So let's proceed to the example number 8. We have negative 12 divided by 3. So we have different signs, so the answer is negative 4. So let's proceed to the example number 9. So we have positive 21 divided by positive 7. So we have same signs, so the answer is positive 3. So lastly, example number 10. So 99 divided by 3. So we have same signs, the answer is positive 30. So that's all